What are some of the challenges that you've encountered of effectively training the new generation of the workforce?
Yeah, see, my boss always speaks about like we have this thing like millennials aren't millennials. I like have to put air quotes because it's
just
like
people.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's so and it almost like makes it like people that aren't like whatever the age group of millennials is are like they're not as like fast. That's not true. A thing that's like a marketing construct, like my boss always reacts to it, so I react to it because I don't think it's true. I think that people that are interested in high performance want, or just in general, like people want place and purpose. So if you're doing that with a millennial population, you should be doing that with everyone, like making sure that work standards are really clear and that people have a path. And I think that when people talk about like millennial programs, really what they're focused on is like retention or making sure that there's like some kind of growth opportunity, but that's not something that people want only when they're like whatever, 22. It's something like everyone wants a path and to feel like in context their work has value. We try to infuse that into any program we do, but we don't have like a dedicated millennial focus. Like I know companies do, we don't have that.
That's great. I think that's fantastic, and I'm so glad to hear you say that. I think that needs to be vocalized more.
Yeah, I mean, we have diversity groups at the company that do programs and career experiences, and we actually have a group called Media Upstarts, which is for emerging professionals, so people that are newer in their career. That's something that's more of a community, and there are events and experiences, but we don't have like a training program at the company that says, millennials, like you're this way, like you need this.
We're going to cater to you with our training.
Yeah, no, it's just that everyone wants that in a job, right?
Yeah.